This is a standards check file for AutoCAD. It verifies that a drawing follows your company's layer and text rules. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's run the check. A quick note, our segment will highlight the immense value of having one comprehensive file inspector that can instantly handle stubborn errors across many different file extensions. A CHX file is associated with AutoCAD and is used for AutoCAD Standards Check files. These files contain the settings and rules used to verify that a drawing adheres to specific CAD standards. They ensure consistency and compliance across multiple drawings and projects, improving collaboration and reducing errors. The CHX file is typically an XML-based file containing a structured set of rules and definitions. These rules specify naming conventions, layer properties, object styles, and other CAD standards. AutoCAD reads this file to automatically check drawings for compliance, flagging any deviations from the defined standards. The file format is proprietary to AutoCAD. The CHX format is inextricably linked to the application Autodesk AutoCAD XCAD from Autodesk Inc. The embedded data needs a specialized parser to be read correctly. Windows provides a shell-level view, but the data itself must be read by the intended software. Your first move is to test all possible decoders. Right-click your CHX file and choose Open With. Use Autodesk AutoCAD XCAD if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. Testing is the fastest diagnostic method. Dealing with a truly persistent CHX file, let's execute these quick diagnostic tests on the most likely points of failure. First, recognize the file type. Understand that CHX is a checksum verification file used by AutoCAD and is not meant to be opened manually. Next, delete the file. If the file is corrupt, delete the file and allow AutoCAD to automatically regenerate a clean copy. Finally, use AutoCAD. Launch AutoCAD and open the associated drawing file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.